Understanding, give up on juggling, an English phrase explained. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive deep into the English language and unlock the meanings behind everyday phrases. Today, we're exploring a phrase that's both literal and metaphorical. Give up on juggling. Stick with us to understand not just the words, but the essence of what it means in different contexts. Juggling is an act where a person throws several objects into the air and catches them in succession, keeping them in continuous motion. It requires skill, practice, and concentration. When someone says they're giving up on juggling, in the literal sense, it means they've decided to stop trying to keep those objects in the air. This could be because they find it too difficult, or they've lost interest in learning this skill. Metaphorically, give up on juggling is often used to describe the decision to stop trying to manage too many tasks or responsibilities at once. Life can sometimes feel like a juggling act, with each ball representing a different part of our lives: work, family, health, hobbies. Saying you're giving up on juggling in this sense means you're choosing to let go of some commitments to focus on others, or to reduce stress and avoid burnout. People might give up on juggling for several reasons. It could be a realization that they've taken on too much, leading to stress or a decline in performance and well-being. Or, it might be a conscious decision to prioritize what truly matters to them. Understanding this phrase helps highlight the importance of balance in our lives and the need to recognize our limits. Giving up doesn't always mean failure. In the context of juggling, whether literally or metaphorically, it can be a valuable lesson in self-awareness, setting realistic goals, and focusing on quality over quantity. It teaches us about knowing when to step back, reassess our priorities, and make changes that align with our health, happiness, and overall well-being. Thank you for joining us as we unpacked the phrase, give up on juggling. Whether you're a literal juggler of objects or someone trying to balance multiple aspects of life, remember that it's okay to reevaluate and make changes. We hope this video helps you in your journey of learning English and understanding its nuances. Don't forget to subscribe for more insights into the English language. See you in the next video.